guys, drum roll please. So thank you for everyone participating in the 2 Bluetooth adapter giveaway for this video. So in this video, we're gonna go through and see actually who won. So I'm gonna go right to my video that I uploaded. I'm going to sort by oldest to newest, so that way I can get the very first comments. My number was 23. So 23, so we're gonna go here. Gonna let the video play. Scroll down to the comments. 336 comments. You guys are knocking it out of the park as far as always participating in these contests. So, all right, now here comes the fun part of scrolling all the way down. All right. Wow, that's awesome. Guys, my name is XRunnerX27, 23 on the dot. So you are gonna get a Bluetooth adapter plus a little bonus. So that's cool. And the next closest to 23 is JFO with 20. That's crazy. That's some really good guesses. Out of 300 some comments, I've never had, so I do these all the time. I've never had someone actually get it on the dot first, but secondly, get it so soon as far as the guesses go. So that's pretty sweet. Awesome job, guys, and congrats to JFO. And my name is XRunnerX27. So I'll message you guys through YouTube, get your mailing address, and then I will ship it out through Amazon, give you the tracking number and all that. But it'll be 2-3 days prime, as long as you're in the United States. Like I mentioned in my first video, you have to be in the United States, of course. So thanks everyone for participating. I will do many more. We'll do some different items and not just the Bluetooth stuff. I'm checking out some other different things that I can throw in. We may have a FCP Euro kind of giveaway coming up here in the next few months, so we want to do that, kind of maybe a kickoff spring. That might be a nice big one that we can do. But appreciate all the support on this channel. Thank you guys. I wouldn't be here without you. And big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out the other DIYs, informational videos and all that. Thanks. Hope you have a great week.